Normally I hear the word deluxe and it's $9. I'm a little on the worried side. I picked this one up very cheap. They are available on Amazon. The ones on Amazon do not actually have the adapter cable where you can actually use them on an actual DSLR camera. They are made for a mobile device. This one I picked up, it actually had the adapter with it. Right now, the audio that you're hearing is actually just coming from the actual Canon camera itself. We're going to be running this test with the Canon audio, then a Rode microphone, and then we're going to try with the audio running through the actual lapel microphone. And then we're going to also try it directly plugged into a voice recorder, and then that audio dubbed over to the actual video itself. One thing I noticed is they have easy opening tabs for the actual tape. You can just pull it right off, and then opens right up. The tips look like they actually gold plated, and the microphone itself, the cable actually feels pretty good. It's got a little alligator clip. We're going to see how long this cable is because it does not say on the actual box. With my arms, I know from my fingers all the way to my shoulder is about 3 foot. So there's 3 foot right there. About 5 foot. It's about a 5 foot cable. The plug itself, that plug is nice, man. I mean, that's a really nice plug. The microphone itself, omnidirectional. The little wind muff just pops right on it, and there's a little ring right on the center there that you can actually just clip the microphone directly onto it. Then you can just clip it on. So this is the audio with just the actual Canon camera itself right there. So we're going to go ahead and switch it over to the Rode's, so that way you can actually hear the difference with the Rode's microphone plugged into the Canon. And then we will actually use the lapel to see which audio sounds better. As you saw in the first part, we only used the Canon microphone. Now we're using the Rode's on the actual Canon itself to see how well it actually sounds. And once again, this is actually for a $9 lapel microphone. We're going to test the audio quality to see how well this microphone actually sounds. Being only a 5 foot cable, I'm going to have to use another audio cable to get the mic audio to the actual camera. Let's go ahead and get this microphone plugged in and see how well the audio actually sounds. Okay, now we actually have the actual lapel microphone right here that's actually on, and I'm going to talk a little more about the actual box itself. It says it's a Sabrent Deluxe Lavender clip-on microphone. Normally I hear the word deluxe and it's $9. I'm a little on the worried side. That normally tells me right there that it's just a selling gimmick. Well, we're going to find out because I have not heard this audio. I won't hear this audio until I go into post. At that point, I'm not going to do any audio. I'm not going to do any audio fixing or anything. This is just going to be raw audio from the Canon, the Rode's, and this microphone. So we're going to see what it sounds like this way, but yes, there is a but. I am going to also plug this into my little Sony voice recorder. And here we go again. Okay, this is our last one that we're going to do. This one we're actually just using the Canon for reference audio, and I'm recording the other audio from the lapel mic to the Sony recorder. The Sony recorder is actually set on the lowest audio volume, and by looking at the meters, it is really coming in loud and clear. This microphone is only recording through the left channel in mono, which I would actually assume would be correct because it is only a mono microphone, so they're not splitting it across both channels. We're going to go ahead and just look and see how well this is going through. I'm recording this one on MP3, and it's 180K. Let me know in the comments down below which audio you like better. Do you like the Canon? Do you like the Rode's? Or do you like this lapel? Like I said, this lapel was only like $9, and it's a very cheap microphone. So I was just kind of interested to see how well it actually works. If it works great, I'll be using it more. And that means that we'll have a lot better audio coming up on a lot of our actual unboxing videos. So if you like this video, Remember to click that subscribe button, click the bell next to it to be notified when we actually create new videos. And also, smash that like button down there. That just lets us know that you actually like this video. If there's any other thing you'd like to see us unbox, let us know in the comments below. We're going to be coming out with new series. So we're going to be doing videos on interesting way on opening up items. We got a couple new product lines that we're going to be giving reviews on. So you want to make sure you click that subscribe button. And that bell will let you know every time we release a new video. Thanks for watching.